All right, we are good to go. Got our popcorn, got our soda. MD Supply, the only place in town where you get it free when you walk in the door. Can't beat that.
It's the
soda.
best thing going.
You still call it soda pop?
No.
No?
We call it Pepsi.
I'm kind of old school.
In fact, we pour more Pepsi than Taco Bell. Ask Pepsi Cola. They'll tell you.
Yeah. All right, Frank, what are we talking about today?
Well, we got lights, putting up lights, troubleshooting lights, safety tips for lights, Christmas trees, Christmas time. Sometimes you have fires. You don't want to have a fire. You want to be able to prevent everything you can. Put your lights up safely. Put your trees up safely. One of the quickest things that we want to do is when you do get a light string that's bad, these little tools right here, this little guy right here is a tester. We keep these in the regular light bulbs and in the LEDs, and it performs 3 quick, easy steps to determine what's wrong with your light set. Okay, particularly like this one right here, the first thing you want to check is for voltage. This little black button right on here, you hold it to the string, press the button. When you hear it chirp, it lets you know you have voltage. So now you move on to the next item, which is your socket. Okay, the socket is simply tested. This is just a simulation because this light does work. So you plug the socket inside here, and then you pull the trigger several times, and what will happen, if it's a bad socket, nothing will happen. If it's a good socket, the lights will light up.
Yep.
Okay, if that is good, then you go to your bulb. Okay, and the bulb's test real easy. It's got 2 little wire filaments here on the end, and you stick them on here on this little pad, and then when the light lights up, it lets you know the bulb's good. Yep. Now it's just a series of time. You got to go through each bulb and find out which one's bad.
Yeah, the old dreaded one goes out and they all go out.
So, but what most people probably do is just throw the whole thing in the garbage and go buy a new one.
But some of the LEDs now, I mean, they're a little more upgraded.
A lot longer lasting, yeah, and we do have an LED tester too. I like these a little better because you unplug it from the power source and you plug your light string in here and do all your testing off of this unit.
Gotcha. And
it's a lot quicker than the older models, okay? Another thing I want to mention to people is using a timer or remotes. We sell programmable timers. Grab that, James, right there. These are programmable timers that will program up to 25 different on and off settings that you can use throughout your home, indoors or outdoors. Mm-hmm. Or if you like to do remotes and you just want to turn your tree on or your lights on from outside and not use a timer, you can use this little setup here, and you can set up 2 different situations there, and you can hit it and it'll shoot right through your screens just like any remote. Turn your lights on outside, turn them off outside.
Yeah.
Safety tips, okay? You don't want to have a fire, you want to be careful what you're doing. You can use these if you want to plug something into a wall. Very simple, probably safe enough, okay? I kind of recommend something to go a little farther, go a step farther, pay a couple more bucks, get a unit that has a surge processor in it. Okay, this protects the wiring, it protects the appliance that you have, and makes things a whole lot safer. Okay, also cords are another thing that people use. They always try to go with the lighter line. Folks, this says inside.
Indoor.
Indoor. Yep. Don't buy this for your outside use. We have plenty of cords that you're used for the outdoors. And you can buy a 10-foot cord. You're fine using a 16 gauge. If you're going to go up to 25 feet, you can still use a 16, go to 50, go to 14. The longer you're going, the higher the gauge needs to be. So ask us what you might need and what you're doing. We can recommend you and put you down the right road. Really good. Okay, a lot of people like to use these. They make a strip plug. Okay, the strip plug does not have surge protection. And that's when you get a surge of power, which can cause a short, it can cause something to burn out. Okay, these will protect your lights. It'll protect your any appliance that you have it tied into, timers and such and like that. So when you're putting your tree up and you're putting the lights up, it's easy just to throw everything up and make things easy and convenient. But make sure you put everything right together with the right cord, with the right timer, with the right voltage and amperage and all the way down the road. So we're good at telling you what you need. That's what we're good at. Come in and talk to John. He's over there. He'll help you through it. He's going, no. Yeah, talk to John. He's good. Or any of our associates. Everybody's well acquainted with Christmas and what we need to do and to keep everything safe this year.
All right. Good advice from Frank.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Later.
MD Supply, Beaumont. Guys.